ZipBooks is a user-friendly accounting software designed for small businesses and freelancers. Here's a step-by-step guide for beginners. Sign up and set up your account. Visit ZipBooks and sign up for an account. Enter your business details such as name, address, and industry. Set your currency and time zone preferences. Connect your bank account. Link your bank accounts to ZipBooks to automatically import transactions. This makes tracking expenses and income effortless. Create clients and vendors. Add your clients and vendors to ZipBooks. Go to the People section and click Add Client or Add Vendor. This will allow you to manage billing and purchases efficiently. Create and send invoices. In the Invoices section, create professional invoices by adding your logo, client details, and services or products. Send invoices directly from ZipBooks via email and check when they are viewed and paid. Track expenses. Go to Transactions and categorize expenses by type. Attach receipts for record keeping. Generate reports. Use the Report section to generate financial summaries, profit and loss statements, and tax details for better decision making. Use add-ons. Use ZipBooks tools like time tracking and project management for added efficiency.